Amy here, and today I want to share some strategies for brainstorming journal prompts. And these can be used for journals, worksheets, printables, pretty much anything where you're asking people to respond. And these are a great way to get more interaction and more mileage out of your content. So customers often want to explore their own thoughts and their reactions to whatever it is that you're sharing or that they're working on. So the idea of journaling is really powerful and has been increasingly popular. Journaling often reduces stress, improves immune system function, keeps memory sharp, and boosts moods. So if you want to incorporate journal prompts that people can use as part of your content or your content plan, it's going to have a lot of positive benefits. So if you're thinking about what type of prompts you want to use, you would want to probably just start with some questions. These are the easiest and the most natural type of journal prompts. You can ask questions based on what, where, when, who, why, or how. For example, if you are helping somebody make healthier eating choices, you can ask them, what are the reasons that you feel that you overeat, and where do you often overeat, if you're focusing on overeating. What time of day does that often happen? So you can go through and tailor those types of questions. Another way to create journal prompts is to have subscribers finish a sentence. So you can offer a prompt that has an ellipsis here like these and then ask them to finish it. For example, my biggest regret was the person who inspires me is, and then people can respond to that. Another way you can start a journal prompt is issuing a command. These add variety and encourage creative thinking, so you can ask people to describe, write, tell, reminisce, things along those lines. Write about a day you wish had never happened, tell the story of meeting your best friends, etc. And you can also do fill in the blank. Everyone likes fill in the blank because it helps people think about what their preferences are. Things like, my favorite book is, this year I want to learn about. So as you can see, just by using a few simple categories, you can come up with a wide variety of journal prompts. Now, if you'd like to have more of this work done for you in terms of creating journal prompts, you may want to check out Q Content Composer. This is my tool that allows you to put together prompt-based content quickly and easily. It comes built in with over 1,500 prompts in a variety of categories. So you can check it out here, and I'll put the link in the description as well.